Hey there, this is part 2 of my gmod tutorial on wire. Alright, I have set a new system up here, as you can see. This time we're going to learn about the comparison, or something like that. I'm bad to writing reading stuff. Alright, we need a greater than. This is the greater than. What the greater than is basically do for all these ships I'm going to show in this area, you need a, as you can see here, you need a constant value. Here we are going to say this gonna shoot if both buttons is pressed, and we're going to use the add system I showed you in part 1. Alright. 1. That means if the add gate says something it's greater than 1, it's gonna shoot with the target. It's not greater, it's 1, but it's not greater than 1. 2, it's greater, and then the climber dies. Not greater, greater, not greater, greater. Alright. The next thing is less than. Less than can be used to anything, like the greater than, or many things. Less than basically do a different thing, because this says everything is less than, let us say, 4. If this is less than 4, it's going to say 1. You can see, but the Cooper have their own value on 4. That means it's not less than 3. If I tap the code in, just a little demonstration code. As you can see now it says 1, but you have to remember Coopers is a kind of nasty to make to work, because you need to think very much. So we're just gonna do, let us see, this. As you can see, now it's not. Now it's greater than that, and that means it's not going to say anything. Now it's lesser than that, and that means it's going to say 1, and that means the indicator turns green. The next chip, and probably the last chip for today, is the equal. Equal means, as you can see here, some things have to be equal with what it is in the constant value. Now I'm going to use this. That means when I press the button, when the button says equal that, now it's not equal because it's 0. But this means if I press the button, now it's equal, and that means it's going to turn green. You can make many kind of systems if you want. You can make a system that says 3 buttons where every button gives 15 and an AND gate, and then every time if all button is pressed, it's going to light up. But that's great because the constant value, a little information, the constant value doesn't need to be numbers. It can be texts, numbers, everything possibly. So you can just, yeah, do whatever you want. This concludes this tutorial. See ya.